Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Neelam from India. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Fool card. This video is for beginners. I will explain this card in very simple English. If you are new to tarot, this lesson will help you understand the basic meaning of this beautiful card. So let's begin. This is the Fool card. The Fool is card number 0 in Major Arcana. The Fool card is number 0 in the Major Arcana. Many beginners think this card means a foolish person, but this is not a real meaning. The Fool represents a new journey, a fresh start, hope, and unlimited possibilities. Basic meaning in this card: when this card appears, it asks you to believe in yourself. It tells you not to be afraid of new beginnings. Sometimes we did not know what will happen next. That is completely okay. Every successful journey starts with one small step. The Fool reminds us to trust life and move forward with an open heart. Positive energy in this card: a new beginning, freedom, adventure, learning, growth, faith, positive opportunities. And the advice: if this card appears in your reading, ask yourself, what new beginning is waiting for me? What fear is stopping me from moving forward? Sometimes the biggest opportunity comes when we decide to take the first step. What will next learn? In today's lesson, we learn only the basic meaning of the Fool card. In the next lesson, we will continue learning more tarot cards step by step. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to learn tarot professionally with personal guidance, I also offer one-to-one online tarot classes for beginners and advanced students. In my complete course, we go beyond the basic meanings and practice reading cards step by step with real example. Students from different countries are welcome. You can find my contact detail in the description below. If you enjoy this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day.